Afro. But first I'ma start off like this. Hey, help me sing it, homeboy. Come on. Said Coke 45 and 2 zigzags. Baby, that's all we need. We can go to the park, tap the dog, smoke that tumbleweed. As the marijuana burn, we can take our turn singing them dirty rap songs. Stop and hit the ball like Cheech and Chong and sell tapes from here to Hong Kong. So roll, roll, roll my joint.
My life is brilliant. My life is brilliant. My love is pure. I saw an angel, of that I'm sure. She smiled at me on the subway. She was with another man. I won't lose sleep on that, 'cause I've got a plan. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you.
I'm done with this.
It's been a ride. I guess I had to go to that place to get to this one. Now some of you might still be in that place if you're trying to get out.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, good morning, sir. How are you?
Hey, have you got any air conditioners?
Hair conditioner? Yeah, well, we've got this. This is shampoo, hair conditioner, sorry. It's made by Baileys and Harding. Or this, that is our best hair conditioner. It's made by Head and Shoulders. I think that this is better. Do you choose?
Give me both.
Both of them? Sure. Well, it's gonna be 1750 before. Well, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I'm too sexy for my love, too sexy for my love, love's going to leave me.
Always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was break me.
Boy, come on. Said Coke 45 and 2 zigzags. Baby, that's all we need. We can go to the park, tap the dog, smoke that tumbleweed. As the marijuana burn, we can take our turn singing them dirty rap songs. Stop and hit the ball like Cheech and Chong and sell tapes from here to Hong Kong. So roll, roll, roll my joint. Pick out the seeds and stems. Feeling high as hell, flying through Palmdale, skating on dragon rims. So roll, roll. 83 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. If my tapes and my CDs just don't sell, I bet my cabbie will. Well, it was just sundown in a small white town. They called it East Side Palmdale. Well, when the Afro man walked through the white land, houses went up for sale. Well, I was standing on the corner selling rap CDs when I met a little girl named Jan. I let her ride in my caddy cause I didn't know her daddy was the leader of the Ku Klux Klan. We fucked on the bed, fucked on the floor. Fucked so long I grew a fucking afro. Then I fucked to the left, fucked to the right. She sucked my dick till the shit turned white. I thought to myself, Shiva, got my ass looking like a zebra. I put on my clothes and I was on my way until my daddy pulled up in a Chevrolet. So I ran, I jumped out the back window, but her daddy, he was waiting with a 2x4. Oh, he beat me to the left, he beat me to the right. The motherfucker whooped my ass all night. But I ain't mad at her prejudiced dad. That's the best thing I ever had. I got a bag of weed